Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways to do to add click to tweet text in your blog posts. The super simple, easiest way is to take any text that you have and just link it to your click to tweet link. So let's do that first. So let's say I'm going to do this a couple times. So I'm going to add my whatever I want to be tweeted, right? So I want to be tweeted, I love the Squarespace supply room. That is what I would love to have people tweet. So I can style this in any way I want, right? Let's say this, I want this to be a click to tweet. So then I could just say click to tweet above it, super simple, and change that to whatever we want it to be. So this is like, again, it's not necessarily the most beautiful, but this is the no code way to do it. Okay, so now I'm just going to highlight it and I would link it. And then over here in click to tweet, I've already set up what I wanted it to say and created my click to tweet link, which is this right here. So I'm going to copy it, and then I have in my click to tweet this right here, and we'll open it in a new window. And so now this whole thing is linked. So if I was to save it and I kind of hover over this and it says click to tweet, if I click it, it will tweet out, I love the Squarespace supply room, right? But if I want to get a little bit more technical and a little bit, let's say I want it to be really beautiful, then we can add in a little bit of a little string of code. So I'm gonna, oops, I already clicked on it. So I'm gonna edit what I have here and show you what I did to make it. So in this post now, if I click into here, let's say I have a spacer here just so you can see the difference. This is my new click to tweet. And so again, you can put a click to tweet before or after it, but let's just open up the code and see what we're working with here. So basically, I've added it in my header 3, and then I just have my link, and in my link, the href is your link. I put my click to tweet link here that I've already created. And then I just put, I love the Squarespace supply room. So again, when people click on this, that's what will happen. Alternatively, you could take this out and put, I love the Squarespace supply room. And then within the part that gets clicked is the part that says click to tweet, right? And then again, this kind of goes to the custom CSS bit, and you can always look at that cheat sheet style sheet if you wanted to. I need to add a little space. You could change, this text to be something else. So it could be a different color or something like that. So let's say, like, maybe I want to make this bold. And again, this is a little bit custom. So you can kind of get in there and play around with it. But maybe it says whatever it says, bolded, and then click to tweet is the call to action. You can also change the color of this if you wanted to, the click to tweet. You could change the color of your H3 or whatever to kind of call it out. Let's say maybe we want the color to be pink, etc. So you can do whatever you want with it, but that's kind of the overview of how to use the code to do it. Or you can just kind of make it super basic like this with your regular text too. Totally up to you, but that's the easiest way to do a click to tweet.